Hi, I'm back. This is Elizabeth with Southern Embellishment. Thank you for stopping by. And the last video was so long, I had to stop it. And now I'm going to show you this gorgeous, 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 gorgeous book. I love this book. I love it. I say that about a lot of them, but I love this book. So far, I think it is one of my favorites. And I'm calling this Gilded Beauty. Gilded Beauty. I love it. It looks so authentically antique. It's amazing. And all of my friends, they're very kind to me, of course. But everybody I showed it to, they're like, if we didn't know any better, we would think that was right out of an antique shop. So it looks authentically antique. But it's not. It's not. It's only a few weeks old. But this image of this beautiful, beautiful lady, that is a rice paper print that I Mod Podged onto the front, and then I gilded it in gold, gilder's paste, and let me see if I can get some shine on it so you can see some of it there. And then the other part of the page was like this. It's got some script. That's on the back. And it's got the gilder's paste. You can see the shimmer. I kind of put it kind of like lightly all over. And then the binding right here, the spine. I'm sorry, the spine. My daughter, back when I did the Scarlet Letter Tome for the Classics Challenge at Nick the Booksmith's channel, I had my daughter do some embroidery for me because I did that on the Scarlet Tome, the Scarlet Letter Tome, and she made this piece for me at the same time. This was on a piece of cream colored muslin, and she did it in a gold, the thread was gold, but when I got a hold of it to do the spine of this book, I mixed some brown acrylic paint with a little bit of gold sparkly paint, and it just gave it this gorgeous color, and it matches the cover so well. And then over top of that, I also did the gilder's paste. But the sparkly paint just, it's just not going to show up good enough on this camera. But it's beautiful, ladies. It's just beautiful. And I love it. I'm so thankful for the way it turned out. And I have some cheesecloth and some lace here at the ends of the spine. I put a bookmark in this one. And it's got luscious lace tabs, crocheted lace, and heart-shaped lace. And then it's got some on the edges too. These were paper clips here for the, I think it's the center envelopes like I do. So we're calling this one the Gilded Beauty. She has got over 275 pages in her. And she is just beautiful. I mean, if there was nothing in this, it would be gorgeous. Just to sit on the shelf to see the cover and the spine. I love it. Okay, I need to move on. I bored you enough with that. All right, so we open it up. Now, what's nice about the way you make these books? They're easy to lay and lay down and write in. Yeah, I mean, yeah, they're coming up, but you can write in them with no trouble, whether you're in the front, the middle, or the back. And I like that. That makes it really nice. So I like the way that works. In the front cover, we have a pocket, and of course Tim Holtz. And these are botanical journaling cards. And I have told you my goal of using up my digital prints. Now this one I use a lot of. I believe this is from, oh my goodness, is it Screech Owl? Oh, if I said that wrong, I'm so sorry. I will look it up and link it below. This is my favorite digital download. It's just so gorgeous. There's like, I don't know, 8 or 9 of these different images. That's the front of this one, and here is the back of it. And They're beautiful. They're just beautiful. And this is the size they come in. I didn't resize it. I left it just like it was, but they're just so vintage looking. And then I scallop the corners and print them on coffee dyed paper. So this again it's got some stamping in it, but it doesn't have sewing or anything like that. It's just plain, and you can look at the other video to hear my rampage on why. I'm not against all the other books. I'm just saying this is why I make these. This is a digital stamp here. Assorted papers, different tabs stapled in. Here's a pocket. There's a pocket. She goes in there. She fell out. This is a download from Nick. It's a dictionary page, and I printed it on coffee dyed paper. Some music sheet paper. I don't want to just keep showing you blank pages. I believe this was also from Nick. It's like a letter, script letter. It's very beautiful. And this is a ledger page. So that was really, Nick, thanks for doing that, because it's really a great idea, because it's a lot easier than trying to find. And I found an old ledger and it was gorgeous, but when I would try to use the pages, it was so old they would just crumble. And so I like the digital download idea. And again, Nick, thank you for this, the Echo prints, for sharing those. She has these in her shop, the TheBooksmithShop, and these are digital downloads of the Echo prints that she did of her flowers and leaves. I bought the alum. I just have, and my yard's full of things I could do. I just have not had the time. I school my grandson along. I'm also a pastor's wife, so I have a lot of duties for the church. We just, our family has a couple businesses, so I'm always super busy. But I just haven't had time to do that. So when I saw her downloads, I was like, oh, yes. And so I love them. So I put them in here. And they're beautiful. Visit her shop and get you some. Here is one of those tea-dyed envelopes with the doily prints on them I was telling you about. And this is in the middle of each signature, and it has journaling items in there to journal on. Here's the other side of that. These are just beautiful. I mean, they just are so colorful, and they print up so nice. So go grab you some, ladies. Go get some. Little diamond paper clip there. So just assorted pages. Another tuck spot with another one of those journaling pages from the digital download. I'll put the name of the this digital and the shop I got it from down below. So each of the signatures start with one of these. They're pretty much set up the same. There's some graph paper. And then this was one of those too. It's just like like this side is plain, this side has stripes on it, but I just used it as like a little letter type journaling spot. Nothing new there, just showing you. So just all kinds of pages, some more Echo print. Each signatures has one of the Echo prints in there. This is an awesome coffee dyed paper. I don't know if you can see it. Great pattern. Another one of those envelopes. And this Echo print turned out great too. It has a lot of yellows and greens in it. Just gorgeous. And of course I printed back and front. So awesome coffee dyed. Another pocket with one of those digitals in it. This has a lot of great coffee dyed prints in it. So let's just go through here. See, it's just, and here's, let me show you this one. Here's another Echo print. It's awesome. I mean, it's just so detailed. This technique just blows my mind. Another one of the envelopes. Those are 8.5 by 10 pieces of paper. The other side of the Echo print. So as you can see, again, this is called Gilded Beauty, and she's over 275 pages. Another pocket with botanical cards in it. So pretty much all throughout kind of set up the same way. Another of those. Another envelope. So I'll just kind of go through here. just a little, I downsized the little ones and just took my scraps and made a little booklet there for you. Don't we like those little tiny things to write stuff in? This is cool. It's got the yellow flower print on there. It's awesome. So here is this gorgeous girl right here. Here's another tuck spot. Here's this gorgeous Gilded Beauty. Another tuck or pocket in the back. So here's this beauty, and check it out. If I can part with her, she will be in my Etsy shop. The last two videos where I showed the journals, they should be in my Etsy shop by the end of the week. Look for them anytime. It's just whenever I can get them up there, I will. But definitely by the end of the week, they will be in my shop. And so give it a look-see. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for listening to me rattle off. I hope you have a great day. I hope you go make something beautiful and write in your journals. God bless. Bye-bye.